to fix and solve Monopoly Go invites friends networking. If you have guys this problem, for example, you wanna add or invites friends, but it's not working. Today I'm gonna tell you how to fix this. So just pay attention in this video till the end. So first you don't need to open your Monopoly Go at all. Just come directly to your settings of your devices and open your apps option. So right here you have to search only for Monopoly Go, and when you find it, just open it like this and go to your storage option, click on clear cache, then you have to back and click on first stock. Click OK, and then come directly to your Play Store or App Store, and you have to update your Monopoly Go if the update is available. Then the last step is to restart your phone. So I hope this video is useful for you. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.